if you have a replicated or an affiliate website, have you ever wondered if anyone is visiting your channel? I know I did in the very beginning, and then I learned a simple little trick on how to make sure I knew exactly where my influence was and how to target my interests to my audience. And in this video, you're going to learn all about how to share your URL in Shortlinks. Hey there, this is Marie Antoinette. Welcome to my channel. And today is Sunday Strategies, where I get to share with you tips and tricks every single Sunday. So make sure you subscribe so you never miss a beat. So before I share with you how to make short links, I'm going to go ahead and talk about why it's really important for you to do short links when you are an entrepreneur who does not own their own site or an affiliate marketer. So if you own your own website, you can link it up to Google Analytics, where it shows you exactly what kind of traffic, who sees your channel, what countries they're from, the watch time. It's just so comprehensive. But unfortunately, with affiliate marketing or direct sales marketing, you don't own your website. So there's no way for you to attach the analytic code to your website. So you have to do a couple of steps in order to really gauge the statistics of views and activity that's going on your website. And therefore, I use short links to get that done. There are many short link applications, but the one that I prefer is Bitly. Register for your free Bitly account. Check the description below. On the free version of Bitly, you can customize your URLs. You can also see where the destination of the visit came from. For example, if you use your shortcut URL in YouTube or in Facebook or any social media post, and somebody clicked on it to learn more information, then you would be able to see exactly where the traffic is being driven to for that particular link. You won't be able to see exactly who it is, but you can find out which of your social media accounts is driving more traffic than others and which ones you need to improve on. How to set up your short URL. Log into your replicated website. Make sure that your name is associated with the URL name before shortening your URL. Locate the specific product and copy the URL. Log in to your Bitly account and paste the URL into the Create section. The short URL will be created. You have the choice of either taking the short URL that Bitly assigns to you or customizing it with your own short link extension. I like doing this because it looks professional. If for some reason your short URL that you're choosing is taken, you can always change the capitalization of the letters or just try another extension. Once it's created, copy and post into your social media accounts. And it's that easy. So I want to hear from you. What business do you own? Feel free to share the links below in this comment section. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Again, my name is Marie Antoinette, and this was Sunday Strategies.